Hey guys, it's Kavetta. We are walking again. We are heading to lunch slash dinner because, well, one, we're hungry, but we really left right now because power and water both are out in our building or down in this area. You can see the CFE, that's the company, trying to get the power back on. But water has been out since 10 a.m. So we've been using the Gala fund, that's the drinking water that we buy, to wash hands and do everything. So we just ordered another one, where we ordered two, but they brought one because the elevator isn't working. So that poor man had to bring the Garafon up 3 flights of stairs. So he brought one. And I'm like, yeah, it is what it is. And then he is still in school, so you can see him. Like, this is literally what school life is. I wish I had it this easy. Well, wish I had it like this when I was going to school. So he's in math class. He just solved the problem. Needs to listen to the teacher, and we're just gonna go to a restaurant, chill, and eat some food. Normally, when this happens, I would go to Starbucks with our computers and everything, but we're starving, so Starbucks isn't gonna cut it this time. So we are just gonna see how this is. But that's one of the things living in, a country like Mexico. You have to be flexible. Just go with the flow. I know the kids were like whining. I was whining a little bit because I can't get any work done either. So they're like, oh my God, there's no electric, there's no water. Why? But then we remember, we're alive, we have choices. So one of our choices was to go to Starbucks. We didn't choose that. Thank God we had another choice, which is to go to a restaurant and just use the 3G that I got from, remember when we went to Telcel and did that? Yeah, we put some more minutes or whatever, renewed it for the month. So at least there's that, right? So let's see, this is gonna be the where to eat in Mexico video. So let's go find where we're gonna eat.
I suppose so. I mean, do whatever you want. I don't want to do anything wrong. I'm pretty sure it's that, but just, do what you want. Do what you think.
Okay, so we found this Japanese place. Gracias. Just walking. It is right here on what's that? Avenue Constitutes and 15. So we were heading to another place actually that I found online, but then we saw this and we're like, ooh, sushi. Why not? And of course, this is kind of expensive, kind of pricey, but not, I don't think it's bad. So it's uno, and then I'm just gonna
Oh, no, I want that.
oh, that's like a mayo thing, bro.
Salmon? Salmon? For a market?
Guys, and I thought they would bring them back one at a time, but this is like all the food at once. And Kalel is still waiting on one more. And that's a big old plate of fried rice, fried chicken, fried rice, That's a ton of food.
And next up.
Gracias.
Bon appetit, buen provecho. Please,
Thank you. Oh my goodness, you guys, the food was so good. The fish so fresh, you can taste everything. This is a really great place. If you're in this area, definitely give it a try. So we're having to get food boxed up. Pretty much boxed up 2 of his. He ate a couple pieces out of 1. But I didn't expect all this, like and I ate 2 pieces from here or something. I didn't expect all this food, and we are so good. And him, look at him. Yes, he didn't eat anything. See, I'm not bringing these kids anywhere anymore. I'm gonna just cook some of the food at home and give them, because they're wasting my money right now. But this is gonna be dinner, so I'm just gonna take this home and have that for dinner later, because it's still pretty early. But yeah, so this way it's a lot of food. So when we come here, like between the 2 of us, we could have just did one of the 3 reduces, got 3 sushis, and then both of us could have eaten that. I think that would have been good. But we got like literally 6 sushis, because no, like I thought it would be less, you know. The rolls are normally less, so that's why I got that, because I can normally eat a ton. But I don't know what's going on today. I don't eat a ton normally, but sushi, yeah, I eat a lot of sushi. But this place is good. So if you do come here, so uno, if you do come here, just know that it's a lot of food. So order and, you know, eat knowing that it's a decent amount. This place was really good. I would definitely recommend it if you are a sushi eater and you're in PDC looking for some sushi to eat. The prices were not bad for the amount of food that you get. So definitely check it out. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. Go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to be notified as soon as we upload a video. Come on over and follow our adventure. See you in the next video. Bye.